हाय फ्रेंड्स मु सुशांत स्वागत करुच्ची आपको सुशांत ट्यूटोरियल यूट्यूब चैनल को। तो फ्रेंड्स आज आम +3 फास्ट सेमिस्टर 1 एथिक्स एंड भैल्यूज 50 टी 5 मार्क प्रश्न डिस्कसन करबा। तो यह पूर्व आम 100 टी 1 मार्किया एवं 50 टी 2 मार्किया प्रश्न डिस्कसन कर सारे। नेक्स्ट क्लास रे से जो 100 टी 1 मार्किया प्रश्न एवं 2 मार्किया 5 मार्किया प्रश्न आम काली उत्तर डिस्कसन करबा उभय ओडिया इंग्राजी रे। तो आज आम 50 टी 5 मार्क प्रश्न डिस्कसन करबा। तो आपण जदि सब जहाँ सब आलोचना सब आपने प्राक्ट कर आपण एग्जाम निश्चय आसो ए क्वेश्चन। तो भिडियो शेष मन देखिए और चैनल को प्रथम थर आसते चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ऑल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन करदेवे जहाँद्वारा ये इंपोर्टेंट एथिक्स एंड वैल्यूज क्लास गुड़िक आपन पाखे सर्वप्रथम पहुँच पार। तो आप चलते भिडियो स्टार्ट करवा। तो आप सब आप गोटे गोटे इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अच्छी जहाँ सब आलोचना आप नोट कर लिखि दिंतु। नेक्स्ट क्लास में यार आंसर सब डिस्कसन करवा। तो फास्ट क्वेश्चन अच्छी डिस्कस द नीड ऑफ मोरल एजुकेशन इन आवर सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन। This question describe the factors that contribute for the moral degradation of the present society. This question explain the benefits of ethics and value education felt by you. This question give an overview of a gender situation of our society. This question why do you feel gender equality is a need for social economic progress in a progress of a society. Next question, what is life cycle approach and how gender related to values are defeated for women within it? Next question, what is prenatal sex selection and why it is practiced among parents? Next question, explain how prenatal sex selection violates human rights of a female fetus. Next question, what lessons have you learned from the Devan story? This question, give some experience of your to describe the father's supremacy in your family. Next question, elaborate the concept of gender justice with examples from your surroundings. This question, give your views about 5 ways in which we can change some negative gender practice in current from our families. This question, what is gender based socialization? What can we do change it? Next question, how do you look at gender division of labor within a family? Next question, which practice of marriage generate ethical issues before you? Next question, explain how child marriage denies right to a girl. Next question, examine the role of seeking consent from both boys and girls for marriage as per preciouser to desirable gender values. Next question, why do you think women's work in the family is invisible? Next question, what does Pile's efforts teach you? Next question, what is broad learning of your relating to the discussions on gender practice in the families? Next question, what is the current plight of majority of the elders in our society? What can we do to make their lives happy? Next question, what difference we bring between work and employment? How can we overcome that the recognize women's contribution? Next question, what is care work and how important it is in our lives? Next question, differentiate between visible and invisible work with examples. Next question, what will be your role to bring transformation in your families to allow your mothers to go for paid work? Next question, if you mothers are working, how can you reduce their role conflict? Next question, what do you mean by a culture of silence? Why does this happen? Next question, what is marriage by consent? Next question, how important is the right to consent for women in marriage? Next question, what do you mean by forced marriage? Next question, what is meaning of a child marriage? Why is this a very bad practice? Next question, what is dowry? Give your own views on this practice. Next question, how does dowry contribute to child marriage? Next question, how does dowry contribute to increased violence in our families? Next question, what are the steps taken by our state to prohibit dowry? Next question, what is honor killing? How can you stop it? Next question, what is FGM? Justify how it is a barbaric practice. Next question, What are the issues women face in the workplace? How can they be eradicated? Next question. What is gender stereotyping at workplace? Is there a strong logic behind it? Next question. Why do you women find it hard to reach the top position in the hierarchy? Professional hierarchy. Next question. What is gender pay gap? How is it against gender equality norms? Next question. What is sexual harassment at workplace and what are its forms? Next question. What is role conflict? Next question. What lessons you got to know from the discussions on the present practice at workplace with regard to women and men? Next question. As youngsters, how do you look at violence against women in the public place? Next question. Give an account of the role of Seva in ensuring rights to the marginalized women. Next question. Write the story of a girl from your state who has broken the gender stereotype. Next question. Women need to have equal property rights with their male counterparts. Comment. Next question. Give an account of the role of sexist language in devaluing a particular gender group. ଶେଷ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ରହିଛି ମେନସନ୍ 5 ଗୁଡ୍ ଜେଣ୍ଡର ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଜ୍ ୟୁ ଲର୍ନ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ ମଡ୍ୟୁଲ୍ ଟଟ୍ ଟୁ ୟୁ। ତ ଯେତୋଟି ଆମର ଆଲୋଚନା ହେଲା 1 ମାର୍କିଆ 100ଟି, 2 ମାର୍କିଆ 50ଟି, 5 ମାର୍କିଆ 50ଟି, ଏଥିରୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେମିତି ହେଲେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିବ ଏକ୍ଜାମରେ। ତ ଆପଣ ଆକୁ ସବୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିଦେବେ। ଏଥିରୁ ଆମର କେତେ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ହୋଇଛି ଆନ୍ସର 1 ମାର୍କିଆ, 2 ମାର୍କିଆ, 5 ମାର୍କିଆ। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକରେ ଆମେ 5 ମାର୍କିଆ, 2 ମାର୍କିଆ, 1 ମାର୍କିଆ ମଧ୍ୟ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା, ଯାହା ସବୁ ଆମେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକରୁ। ତ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ହୋଇଥିବ। ତ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇକ୍ ଏବଂ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ସେୟାର କରିଦେବେ। ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ଆସିଥିଲେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରି ଅଲ୍ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନକୁ ଅନ୍ କରିଦେବେ। ତ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଏଇଠି ରଖିବା। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।